Let's learn 30 words in Chinese. Essentials for beginners. Apple, 苹果. Milk, 牛奶. Don't forget to subscribe.
苹果、香蕉、橙子、葡萄、西瓜、西红柿 tomato、土豆、黄瓜 cucumber、洋葱 onion、胡萝卜西红柿 tomato、土豆、黄瓜 cucumber、洋葱 onion、胡萝卜
水 water. 牛奶 milk. 果汁 juice. 茶 tea. 咖啡 coffee.
面包、饼干、巧克力、当个、糖果。肥皂 soap、牙刷 toothbrush、牙膏 toothpaste、洗发水 shampoo、毛巾 towel、
钱 money 超市 supermarket 商店 shop 买 buy 卖 sell.
Great job! You learned 30 shopping words in Chinese.